Hello guys, welcome to Automate with Amit, and in this video we are going to talk about one of the very buzzword these days. So it's an artificial intelligence tool which has just arrived in the market, and now it has created so buzz that people are saying that Google is gone. So in the market also, so its name is you would have heard about this in the news also. So that's name is Chat GPT. So we will be seeing in this video how this Chat GPT works and why people are saying that it is going to kill Google, and it is also going to kill the monopoly of Google in the market. So let me tell you about Chat GPT. So Chat GPT is basically one of the tool of OpenAI. So OpenAI, if you see over here in the OpenAI. So OpenAI is basically an artificial intelligence company which is working right now in the research and development of artificial intelligence related tools and technologies. So OpenAI itself has introduced Chat GPT. If you see over here, it says that introducing Chat GPT research release. Although it's in its beta mode right now, it's in testing mode. But right now, if you see it, it is what it is. It is just language models for dialogue. Okay, so it's kind of artificial intelligence triggered chatbot which works on the instruct GPT. So basically what happens with this, it works in a conversational way where the dialogue, I mean, you ask any question to this Chat GPT and it is going to reply. So and it is so accurate. It works really well. It's not always 100% of accurate, but it works so seamless. It gives very nice answers, so in the conversational way, so that you will be understanding, you will be realizing that it is kind of human is replying to you. So let's try this Chat GPT. So for that, you have to just go on this Chat GPT, try Chat GPT. Here, actually, you have to log in with your credentials. So first time, if you are logging into this, then you have to, give your mobile number, and eventually you have to sign in using, maybe you can, okay, so let me go on this one incognito window. And here, if I type Chat GPT and if I try here, so it is going to give me one login. So basically you need to authenticate yourself. So if you have any login previously with the Chat GPT, then it is already going to log you in. And if not, then it is going to prompt you that you have to log in before you continue on the OpenAI. So for that, you just click on the sign up, and eventually you give your email address and just continue, or you can give your I mean, you can use Google credentials also for that. So once you log in, you are going to land upon this screen, this Chat GPT. So whatever you ask, so it has some examples also right now here. Explain quantum computing in simple terms, or any kind of, you see over here, capabilities, what it can do. Remembers what user said earlier in the conversation, allows user to provide follow-up corrections, trained to decline inappropriate requests. And limitation, there are some limitation also, because this is kind of it's in very starting stage. So, and also we all know that artificial intelligence trains itself. Artificial intelligence tools basically are made to train itself, so they learn from the people's response. So as long as this is going to learning this is going to be learning. It is going to be much more stronger. So right now it's a start only. So I think it's going to go away longer. So it has, although it has some limitations also, may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So right now it's in development stage, but it's a kind of a very powerful tool. Let's understand and let's see. So on this, I am going to let's understand how this is different from the Google. Okay, so before that, let's try something. So if I type any question what is automation testing? Okay, automation testing. And okay, an error occurred if this issue persists. Okay, so I'll just click on regenerate response. It seems any issue is there. Okay, just let me refresh. So let me retype. What is automation testing? And you see it has started typing. So I just asked what is automation testing. It is telling the response. Automation testing is the process of using specialized software and tools to test the functionality and performance of a computer system or application. The goal of the automation testing is to reduce the amount of manual testing that needs to be done by using automated scripts to test the system. So it has given all the in a very crisp way what is automation testing. It has given you all these responses. Let's try some different way, some different question. So um, how to update Chrome driver automatically. Okay, this is one of the issues we face generally in the projects. So where we use a Chrome driver.exe file, and eventually we don't get the way how it is going to be automatically updating after your Chrome browser version has changed. Okay, so let's see what is the response it gives. There are a few different ways to update Chrome driver automatically. Use a package like Homebrew or Chocolatey to manage the installation and updates of Chrome driver on your system. This is a convenient option of if you are using Chrome driver on a Mac or Windows machine. So again, for Python people, it says that WebDriver Manager you install and use the WebDriver Manager command line tool to manage the installation and updates of Chrome driver. This tool is included Chrome driver manager package and can be used to update Chrome driver to latest version. Set up a CI to handle the installation and updates of Chrome driver. So at the end, it has given 4 different ways to handle this, and at the end it gives the conclusion also. Okay, so no matter which approach you choose, it's important to keep Chrome driver up to date to ensure that it is compatible with the latest version of Google Chrome, and to take advantage of any bug fixes or performance improvements that may be included in newer releases. Okay, so more specifically, if you want some answers, then you have to ask questions in a more specific way. So how to update Chrome driver automatically? It is going to give you. It has right now give you in Python, but if you want to ask in Java, so let's see what response it gives. So to update Chrome driver automatically in Java, you can use Chrome driver manager library, which is available via Maven central repository. Okay, so Chrome driver manager is another tool. See, it was, I mean, many of us don't know right now. So you see, it has given WebDriver manager this artifact ID. It has fetched the dependency also. So here you can use in this way WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup, and eventually you can put the version also of Chrome driver. So it is way better, right? I mean, you type any particular question and in spite of giving a hell lot of options where you keep on searching and everything. It gives you crisp and clear answer to each and every question you ask, and it is going to give you answer. So let's see, write a program to print any number, print numbers from 1 to 100 without any loop. Okay, here is a Java program that can print numbers from 1 to 100 without using any loop. So you see, print numbers int n. So here we are printing numbers. So exactly, it is true, right? It is using like this recursion technique. So this program uses recursive function called print numbers to print number from 1 to 100. The function calls itself with an incremented value of n each time it is called until n is greater than 100. So you see, I mean, we are getting each and every time very crisp and clear answers to each question we ask. It gives us so much power, where it gives a lot of it basically it removes all the hassle which we face while working on Google, right? So if we type the same question, so basically Google does not have its own database, right? It fetches all the options from different it fetches all the options from different websites. So it basically go on each and every site, not go, but it fetches all the possible sites where this answer lies. So it gives you different options where you can look into this, and where what are different options, what are the different videos and all those things. You got so many websites, and you go to any particular website and you can um, find out the answer. But eventually what happens, sometime we don't get the answer. It becomes we go on first one, we go on second one, and keep on searching things, and it eventually like it takes so much of effort and time. And here you see it gives, although not 100% correct, but most of the time we also are getting correct answers, and it is telling us what are the conclusions also, even though it is giving you different options to cover. So I think it's going to be useful very much, and in a recent time it has been released, and it is now in testing mode, and it's now as soon as long as it is going to be used more, it is going to be making itself much more intelligent. So I hope this is going to be a big change, big thing in the coming years. Um, what do you think about this? And if you think this is going to uh, give Google a tough competition, then comment in the comment box, and let's see what is the future of this. What's your thought on this? Just and if you like this video, just like it, and share to your friends, because it is going to be a very useful tool in coming days. And that was all. See you in the next one. Thank you.